Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606dn printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, and here scroll down, and if you find system type 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. You can free to go to any web browser. In a search, type HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606dn printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website is open, and here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system and the bit. If bit is not right or operating system is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows 11, Windows from this system, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, select Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on the update, and this page or this box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and don't go to the here, and don't go to the driver inverter scanner driver. Also go to the here installation software, and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. Okay, expand it, click at here, and here we find the drivers with the many printer name including our printer. Okay, here we find our printer name. Click on the download, and it's redirect you to the another web page, and our download is started on our PC or laptop. It is a very large file, so it's take 1 or 2 or 5 minutes depending on the speed of our internet. If your speed is very high, then it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few seconds or few minutes to download these files. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it's extracting our files, unzipping our file, and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly unzip these files. Okay, now here we find the newly created folder. Double click on this newly created folder or unzip folder, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers, and we are going to manually install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, and in a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner, wait for a few seconds. After that, wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that and close it. And after that, here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find port name .phone_001 HP printer device or HP, then select that port. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port, click on the next, click on Have Disk, click on Browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our folder, double click on this folder. Here we find driver, double click on driver, and here we find the some files. Select any file, all files contain same drivers of our HP printer. Select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606dn. X means there are lots of printers, 6, 2606dn, and it's all contained in this series printer, PCLM S version 3 and version 4. Select any version that you like. I select first version and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give 06dn. You can give any name that you like. I give name HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606dn, and after that click on the next. It's install our printer in a less than 1 minute, so be a patient and wait for a few seconds to install it. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name, scroll down and find your printer name HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606dn. That means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.